Hi.
Hello.
So please introduce yourself.
Yeah, so I'm Pete Bernard, Executive Director of the Edge AI Foundation. We're a nonprofit community building organization focused on advocacy and education around Edge AI, all things Edge AI.
So nonprofit.
Yep.
What's the idea? What's the goal?
So we're really about kind of two things. One is advocacy around Edge AI. So we have a bunch of technology partners that are building cool tech. And
so we see some of the company logos
kind
there.
of a bunch of logo wall there. And so part of it is we have technical working groups, business working groups to make the whole Edge AI space, grow and be successful. So we do that. And then we also do a lot of education stuff. We have a scholarship fund. We help develop curriculum for universities. And we also do education to kind of educate end users and companies about what Edge AI can do and what it can do for their business. So that's what we're all about.
There's a lot of Edge AI happening right now.
Yes.
There's more and more of it, right?
Exactly, yes.
And is there a need to coordinate how to make it the best way, or?
Yeah, so one of the things we do is trying to figure out best practices, right? So we'll have companies working together for like audio AI or neuromorphic or generative AI on the edge, and figure out like the whole stack. What do we need in the whole stack to be successful? And how do we better make sure things like working together better and things like that. So yeah, there's like, you got to take the raw tech and turn it into a solution and solve a problem. So that's
what do you talk about on this video?
Oh yes, this is on our YouTube channel. So you can find us, Edge AI Foundation, on YouTube. This is a video I did recently about sort of the state of Edge AI. And what's holding it back, what's making it go faster, what's happening out there. So,
do you have like members that contribute, or
so all of these
who's doing all the work?
Yeah, so all these members do donations, right? Since we're a nonprofit, we have a small staff, but we also have a lot of volunteers. So we work with academia, PhD students, professors, folks that are working at tech companies that want to volunteer to help. Put on events and do live streams and things like that.
Is it based on all these platforms that are used on the Edge AI, like low power software solutions, packages, systems?
Yeah, so there's lots of different tools. There's PyTorch, ExecuTorch, TensorFlow, and we have partners like Qualcomm and Edge Impulse and NXP, and they all have different sort of tool chains and platforms. Which makes it, kind of challenging for some folks, but also people are innovating very quickly. And so, we see it even at this show the past couple of days, people designing new NPU chips, new software tools. So it's a really dynamic space. There's a lot to learn and a lot to keep track of.